This is a black and white one, me with black hair, even though I got blonde hair. Chime in, guys. Let me know what you think. You guys, I got my shirts done at Sell My Tees online. sellmytees.com. You can create your own store and sell your tees. And that's what I did for my shirts. So here's a hot pink one, fuchsia, I don't know what you want to call it. Thug Motivator at Suhan Baby. They're in multiple colors, multiple sizes. They come in V-necks. I got black too. I just didn't order one. But I would love it if you guys support the brand, Suhan Baby, Thug Motivator. Because you know, I want to make, ooh, and it feels so soft. Oh, it feels so soft. I want to make stuff that you guys like. So, listen, I want to shout out the company Sell My Tees. If you guys want to open up a t-shirt store, sell your tees, create your own design, go to sellmytees.com, Tees.